Hello, welcome to another class on R Language Primer. Today we look at a very essential part of the compiler when you are running your programs. This chapter is called packages. Packages are pre-written functions or pre-written code which is stored and used whenever you call them. R installs a default package, but the rest of the packages you have to download and install on your computer or call them at runtime from the CRAN site. So if you look at these packages, they are stored under directory which we call as a folder in Windows called library. You also have the packages which need to be loaded explicitly, and in fact the entire class covers only those packages because the default package is loaded anyway when the R is installed. To get a location of a library's storage location, that's the directory or folder, you type libpaths, the P being capital. So in this example we have typed C:\, it's a prompt command. You have to come to the CMD, that's the command window, and type this. I have typed the libpaths, then it shows you where the files are. It's program files and it's shown you the library. But that actually depends on where your directories in your particular computer are. This is only typical, but the commands are the same for all of us. The output will vary. So to display all of the installed packages, you have the library function, and it will show you, actually we have taken a few examples here of the base, the R package, the bootstrap package, functions for classification, the cluster analysis package, code tools, compiler, and so on. But actually there are many more packages. There are literally hundreds and thousands of them. We'll use them as and when needed by the different examples which come in our later classes. So here, to search for the libraries which are available in the R environment in your computer, you type search, and then you will get the global env, that's the name of the packages. Package stats, package graphics, etc. It's because you got totally 7, 8, 9 packages. On the first line you have 3, second you have 3, the last one we have 3 packages. Now the most important part is, whenever we need a new package, we have to go through this procedure. You can directly install from the CRAN directory or download and install it. Installing directly from the CRAN directory is a lot easier. When prompted to choose the server, the servers are located globally and these packages are available on those different servers. You have to choose the one nearest to you. It's not necessary you have to choose, but suggested you choose the one nearest to you because the distance the traffic travels on the internet is going to be less. But you can install from any server. There's no particular requirement. So we have the command which is install.packages. You have to give the name of the package. For example, we have said install the package called XML. It stands for Extensible Markup Language. And then you have the install.packages XML, and that will install the package automatically. To install a package manually, now we go to the CRAN website. We have to download the specified package. It will come as a zip file. It's actually a compressed file. And that compressed file has to be installed using the install.package, and then we have to give the name, path, etc. So then actually for most of the beginners we would suggest you just install the package directly from the CRAN site instead of downloading it and then installing it manually. Now when you load a package to a library, before it's used, you have downloaded, you have installed. But every time you need to use it, you just start it up by saying library, package name, and then the library location, you have to give the path. Since all our libraries, when we default install them, will be in the R working directory, there is no need to specify a location. We thank you for listening to another video lecture. This has to be tried out by yourself on your particular machine. Type the commands, install 1 or 2 packages like XML, and you will get the feel for it. We'll need this knowledge in all our later chapters when we use the more difficult functions and libraries in R. We thank you for listening to us. Please leave your feedback at the email address given in the slide. Trust yourself. You know more than you think you do. Have a good day.